At the end of this video, we'll take a look at MadRamp's innovative pivoting ramp system, the safer, easier way to transport your ATVs and snowmobiles. Stick around.
This is my 1978 6500 Blizzard. Bought last fall. Came the way you see it. We have factory motor and everything. We've had some issues with it. We've had some electrical problems. There's somebody been in there fooling around and cut off wires and stuff here. Took the ground wire out of the headlight in the harness. Some fuel issues and things like that. We got the bugs pretty well worked out of it now. It runs good. This is the first run today. It's the first time it's been able to. We have no snow at home, so we brought it up and it ran, and it seems to be okay.
Good.
Which is good news. It had been working on it since last fall.
Wow.
You might give Goose a call and get a new wiring harness for it so that everything is correct next year.
Yeah.
Get everything where it should be. It seems okay now.
Good.
It ran good this morning.
Nice. Feel like starting her up? That's nice.
Everything works now.
That's cool. Very nice. That's one of the nicer looking sleds ever, in my opinion.
They handle nice too. They're fun to ride. They're very predictable. I replaced this rear panel because it wasn't beat up or broken. It was just scuffy, scratched.
Yeah.
I've done a few of them now, and they're pretty easy to do.
Nice.
What's unusual with these folks is nothing's broken. There's no cracks in the back. If these things are ridden hard or raced, they're always broken back here somewhere.
Oh, really?
And these you can replace. These you can't.
Oh, really?
This one, this is just the way. Yeah.
Nice. That looks really nice.
It's the ultimate combination of simplicity and ingenuity. The newest way to load, unload, and transport your ATV or UTV. The MadRamp's Pivoting Ramp System. Made in the USA and engineered for strength and durability. Maneuver through tight places and over rugged terrain with plenty of ground clearance. No licensing, no ongoing maintenance costs, and no storage hassles like trailers. Won't slip or move like conventional ramps. Free up more cargo space in the bed of your truck. Securely connects to your truck's receiver hitch. Easily extends for safe loading and unloading. Seamlessly retracts for highway and off-road travel. DOT approved in all 50 states and Canada. Quickly disconnects in under a minute. A unique space-saving storage system. The MadRamp's Pivoting Ramp System. Go farther. Go faster. Go safer.
When you order using the link in the description, I'll send you 3 free Vintage Snowmobile DVDs. When you order using the link in the description, I'll send you 3 free Vintage Snowmobile DVDs. If you run a small business, you know that everyone is on Facebook today. You also know that there are thousands and thousands of Facebook users living within 10 to 50 miles of your business location. If you're like a lot of people, you've created a Facebook page that has only a few hundred fans and very little engagement when you post on it. If this is the case for you, your Facebook page is not earning its keep. There is a better way to generate sales and leads for your business on Facebook. Or maybe you are spending a lot of time posting your offers in free marketplace groups and you are disappointed with the response you're getting. If this is the case for you, there is a better way to generate sales and leads for your business on Facebook. If you are frustrated with Facebook, or if you lack the time or expertise to market your business on Facebook, consider outsourcing it to me. I have short-term and long-term marketing strategies. At least one of them is sure to be right for your business, and my rates are surprisingly affordable. Here are just a few of the services I offer. I can create a video just like this one to promote your product or service. You supply the digital images and I take care of the rest. Once your video is finished, we can run a paid campaign to put it in front of thousands of targeted Facebook users who live within 10 to 50 miles of your business. I can manage your Facebook page and grow it by at least 1,000 new Facebook users every month. These are Facebook users that can be targeted by age, gender, location, and interests. I can make regular daily posts to your Facebook page, and each of these posts will include a description of your offer, your telephone number, and a link to your website. Let's face it, everyone is on Facebook today. If you are not effectively utilizing this incredible marketing tool, you are missing out on an incredible opportunity. Click the link for a free consultation or call me. My name is Mike at 480-626-0055. Thanks for viewing this message and have a great day.